Scott Kuykendall from Leman's. Rubicon lift kit going on installed. Here's the front section of it. So with a Mopar lift, we'll replace the springs, replace the control arms, shocks go on. It's an 8-hour process to do the lift kit completely. They're working on the rear. In fact, Jeep sends it in a box with the control arms and springs. This video is going to be a multi-part. I'll show it to you as we go through. Just the start of it right now. Getting closer. Costa wheels. Box shocks are on. Suspension's in. Paul's working on the back right now, putting the spare tire carrier on it. So it'll be mounted with the third brake light with a backup camera. Then we go to the alignment rack, just about done. Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Leman's here in Morton, Illinois. Final product, Rubicon lifted. Got LED lights on the front, off the auxiliary switches. LED lights up on the edge of the hoods. Mopar lift kit, Costa wheels, tires. Jeep just absolutely looks fantastic. Red painted top, Fox shocks, spare tire with the backup camera already in it. What a good looking Jeep. Leather seats, heated of course, Rubicon, got auxiliary switches running the lights, 4-wheel drive, sway bar disconnects, got 22 miles on it. This thing is good looking. Call me on it, 309-275-7257. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Leman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information, that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.